Hello again, and welcome to our business overview that we think you'll find can be life-changing. First, it's no secret, people all over the world are searching for a path to a better life. That perfect concept where they can change lives for the better and achieve the ultimate goal of what's often referred to as walkaway income. Introducing Great Life Worldwide, a 10-year company that has evolved into the all-in-one solution and a new age of online business. Great Life is ending the search for thousands daily. The search for that special company and vehicle that gives them real potential of a work-from-anywhere business that will grow and sustain for years to come. Everything you want and need, it's all here in the form of the most complete online business platform. In this age of information, we have unlimited access to thousands of opportunities and choices. The good news is, we can narrow things down quite a bit to the categories of online businesses, products and services that have proven to have generated consistent success for millions over the years. This isn't about convincing people of an entirely new concept. The reality is, most people gravitate towards things they know, understand, want, and need. With that, there have been certain categories, concepts, products, and services where affiliates have found success for decades, yet for most, it has been minimal. We're here to change that. The proven categories like health, fitness, personal development, travel, and ways to save money are the things people have always done, whether there's an opportunity attached or not. So rather than trying to convince people of something new, we have taken the best of the best, those things that people already know, want, and need, and integrated them into the ultimate platform to help them achieve their ultimate lifestyle. Our amazing platform provides substantial savings for our members on everything you already buy and do. From our proven life-changing formulations for just about every health goal or health issue known to man, a complete life-transforming platform of the most extensive self-help, self-improvement, motivational training, and top workout programs of today, including some of the top personal trainers of our time, then the ultimate savings platform, which includes 1.5 million merchants worldwide. From gasoline to groceries, home and car insurance, to all of your favorite restaurants, entertainment, and of course, a complete online worldwide travel engine. At up to 50% off or more, our members can literally save thousands per year on everything they already buy and do. Even better, we have the most user-friendly platform where members can find and utilize unlimited discounts, hassle-free. The big questions, of course, are: how do members make money? How do we get paid? How does the Great Life plan compare to the rest? And what's the long-term potential? First, as you can see, not only are there several ways to get paid on both memberships and product sales, but your entire team as it grows as well. You can generate weekly income so you can immediately be in positive cash flow and profit, while building that long-term residual income that everyone strives for. The Great Life leadership team knows what it's like to build an online business. That's where they all started. So they have put together the best of the best in terms of not only the compensation plan and marketing system, site and tools, but the ultimate in support. You will not find a company that takes care of their affiliates like Great Life. Next, of course, is one of the most important parts of the equation and a key to everyone's success. That's utilizing the technology of today in the form of a complete marketing system that's included for all affiliates. Our system includes a complete website and web store for your products and services, a complete marketing funnel system, which includes capture pages, videos, and email autoresponder follow-up with all of your prospects. Our system also includes a complete back-office tracking system of your prospects and team members. And even though our compensation plan is a matrix that fills automatically, you have an optional placement feature for your new members to maximize the compensation plan. And now, introducing the Great Life leadership team that not only provides decades of experience each, they also have track records of success that spans decades. Starting with CEO and founder Greg Gunderson, this team knows not only affiliate and network marketing inside and out, they know, understand, and believe in an approach of what's best for their affiliate members and customers. Understanding this is first a business overview. It's also important to know who you're really doing business with. The Great Life Company and leadership team have built something very special into this platform that may be quietly unnoticed but has had a tremendous effect on lives worldwide. Great Life has been supporting some of the most important causes of our time including Feed the Children, the Wounded Warriors Project, Stop Human Trafficking, Mary's Meals, and the Stop Bullying programme. These are programmes that the Great Life Leadership team have combined to have a tremendous impact over the years. Just by being a part of our Great Life team, you're automatically helping make a difference. In parting, we hope we gave you a clear picture of what our business and company are all about, and our goals to positively affect as many people's lives as possible by discovering the real secrets to success in both business and life. After reviewing our site, contact us with any questions you may have and how we can help you get on the path to your best life. A great life.